Hi, today I decided to show you how to make this baby girl hat. It's in size 0 to 3 months. I hope you like it. Let's start the hat. I will use two colors, medium weight yarn and 5mm hook, slip knot, chain 3, join to the first chain, now chain 2 and 11 double crochet in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, join to the first stitch. Now second round, chain 2 and 2 double crochet in each stitch around. When I finish second round, I will have 22 stitches. Now join. Third round, chain 2, 1 double crochet in first stitch, then 2 double crochet in second, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 2 double crochet in next, and then again 1 double crochet in next stitch and 2 double crochet in next, 1 double crochet in next stitch, 2 double crochet in next. Repeat it till the end of the round. When I finish third round, I will have 33 stitches. Join to the first stitch, and now round 4, chain 2, 1 double crochet in first 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet in third stitch, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet in next stitch, one double crochet in next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet in next stitch, repeat it till the end of the round. When I finish round 4, I will have 44 stitches. Join. And now round 5, chain 2, skip the first stitch, then double crochet in next stitch, then double crochet in skipped stitch, skip one stitch, double crochet in next stitch, double crochet in skipped stitch, again skip one stitch, double crochet in next stitch, then double crochet in skipped stitch, skip one stitch, double crochet in next stitch, then double crochet in skipped stitch, repeat it till the end of the round, skip one stitch, double crochet in next stitch, then double crochet in skipped stitch. Now join. I will repeat round 5 from round 6 to round 8. I finished around 8. Now join and change the color. Now around 9, chain 1, skip one stitch, then half double crochet in next stitch, then half double crochet in skipped stitch, skip one stitch, half double crochet in next stitch, half double crochet in skipped stitch, skip one stitch, half double crochet in next stitch, half double crochet in skipped stitch, repeat it till the end of the round. Skip one stitch, half double crochet in next stitch, half double crochet in skipped stitch. Join and change the color again. You can cut the second yarn. Let's start around 10, chain 1 single crochet in each stitch around, all in the back loop only. Join. Now around 11, I will repeat around 10, chain 1 single crochet in each stitch, all in the back loop. Join, and now around 12, the last round, I will repeat around 11, chain 1 single crochet in the back loop only. Now join to the first stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn, and the baby girl head in size 0 to 3 months is ready. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.